How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your WhatsApp call unavailable problem in your device. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have given contact access to your WhatsApp. To do that, tap onto your settings, scroll below to apps, and at the top search bar, search for WhatsApp. As you see this page, tap onto permissions and make sure that you see contacts under allow. Tap onto contacts and toggle on the button of allow. Now once you have done that, open up your WhatsApp and tap on three dot icon on your top right. Here tap onto settings. At the below option, tap onto help, then tap on help center and tap on contact us. Now at this box, simply typing that the option of call is unavailable to you, and that is what it's being shown in your WhatsApp. So just request WhatsApp to fix your problem ASAP. Once you do so, tap onto next. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.